Guys, this is Danny Coin, and I want to let you guys to know why I'm telling you guys to buy this Shiba Inu. This coin is mad. Look at the Shiba Inu. I have up to 1 million of the coin, and it's giving me $22. So now I'll hold it to. Let me convert it to Nigeria currency so that we will know what I'm really targeting. I've converted to Nigeria currency now, and see now I've converted to Nigeria currency. Look at the top, it's 0.00946. So now it's not up to naira. So I want to hold this coin. I want to hold it to reach 1 naira. If I want it to reach 1 naira, and let me say 1 million times 1, that is 1 million naira. So if I'm holding 1 million of the coin and you reach 1 naira, that means I'm having 1 million naira in my wallet just like that. Very simple. Okay, I still hold it to 2 naira. I'm only to 2 naira, and now it's 2 million naira. Hold it to 5 naira is 5 million naira. That's how people are making massive millions of naira in blockchain technology. So now, and this coin now is on Binance. Is on Binance. Let me show you. Let me prove to you guys. See there, it's on Binance network. As you can see, the market present now is down. Is down present now. And see, this coin is this coin is listed in so many exchanges. Like, look at it again. Okay, let me show you again. See the top coin. See the top coin. And look at the coin there. Shiba Inu still is part of the top. It's still part of the top of the coins. Look at. Look at. See, it's doing well. The coin is doing well. Let me go to this other one, coin, and see why. And I want to show you that the coin is down present now. When I mean down, it's down. See the charts, the market charts. See there, it's up down, up down, up down. Let me prove to you guys that. Okay, okay. You see how far the coin has gone. You see how far the coin has gone. You see it's still moving up. It's still moving up. It's still moving up. You see how far the coin has gone. When I tell you guys, get this coin, because this coin will burst people's mind. Will burst people's mind in the next 3 or 4 months. You will not get this coin now. Cut it down. See the distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 0.0008. And now present now is 0.002. So now we pass before the year run out. We pass because we pass this amount, this 0.008. We pass it. But the company is telling us that before the year run out will be 0.001. So by the grace of God, nobody knows how technology works, because technology is market can go up and come down anytime. So if you have any question you want to give to me, you can drop it at the comment and I will get back to you. Thank you.